Hello friends, this is Chandra P. Iyer again from KACC Kalamandiram Arts and Crafts classes. Yes, welcome again. Friends, in the last class we had learnt about a 2D shape, that is a circle, the first and best basic shape, and we learned to render it into a 3D object called sphere. First, napkin, triangular shaped napkin from his parents with so much of love and care. So he adores this piece of dress, this attire with a lot of happiness. Then let's just imagine today's topic being triangle. We first saw about a napkin. Just imagine he goes to school and his mama packs his lunch box. She packs a puff, stuffed puff, which is also triangle in shape, triangular. Then when he grows up, he gets some pocket money from daddy. Then he buys a samosa one day from his canteen, a yummy yummy samosa. And then one fine day, he leaves for a tour along with his parents, and it's a hot day, summer. Holidays are on, and he enjoys having a triangular cone ice cream with his parents, with with strawberry and also plum at the top, and cherry at the top, and plum and all sorts of tutti frutti etc. added to it, and he really enjoys it. What's very important is that we are learning through these foodie items a triangular puff, a triangular shaped samosa, and a cool ice cream cone with a triangle at the bottom and a circle at the top, inverted cone, right? Then when he goes to his 5th grade, his teacher teaches him about a triangle. Maths teacher. She says that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Later she teaches him about an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and many other triangles like rectangular triangle and the hypotenuse and all those things. Okay, obtuse triangle, etc. etc. Then comes the history teacher. She teaches him about a pyramid. She teaches him about pyramid of ancient Egyptian pharaohs. Pharaoh is the spelling. Egyptian kings. How you spell it is FAIR plus O. That's how you spell it. You pronounce it. Pharaoh. Okay. Egyptian pharaohs were buried in triangular shaped pyramids. Okay. So a triangle, 2D flat triangle, if rendered with pencil or any other medium, turns to be a pyramid. A pyramid can be of 3 sides at the bottom, or 4, or 5 with a pentagon at the bottom, 4 a square at the bottom, 3 triangle at the bottom, and further up a hexagon, 6 at the bottom, or an octagon, mostly with 8 sides. Okay, most of the pyramids, that is 90% of them, have 8 sides. Okay, that I will be teaching you when I teach you history of arts and ideas. That's a very interesting subject. We'll postpone it for the present. We will just try to render this 2D shaped triangle. Now let's imagine that light falls from the right side. In that case, this is light, and here you have shade, that is darker side. Then you have to You may start from this is the apex where all the lines meet, right? Now, nowhere there should be a curvature because there are many straight lines in it. They don't have any curved line like how we had done yesterday. In the previous video, previous class, we rendered a circular form. So there were a lot of curvatures in that. This is full of straight lines everywhere, so we should be very careful not to curve it anywhere. Okay, slowly, beautifully you can render it, turn it into a pyramid. And I have given mid-tone only now. If it is an opaque object, then some tones will be given on this side. If it is light here, this side very minutely. Suppose this object has a gray color, then some tone will be there. And if it is like a prism, totally transparent, then you can make it very, very transparent by rubbing out the tones a bit of it. In the corners, you may leave some just to get a 3D effect, right? Now, where is the cast shadow? If light falls from here, light source is from, let me darken the outline contour. If light comes from the right side, then where will the cast shadow fall? That we have to see. There are certain rules for the same, but for the present, we will just learn it as a layman would. Later we will learn as an artist. Now, near the object's bottom base, it will be darker, becoming lighter and lighter and lighter, very lighter towards the end, right? Now, this has to be darker, more darker near the bottom, near the base. Then it will be slowly converted into lighter shades, tones. We use the term shade for dark and tone for the lighter sides. So tonal tones, lighter tone you say, not shade. Okay? Darker shade and lighter tone. That's the terminology used by an artist. You can move the paper or your sketchbook according to your own convenience and then rub off the extra parts which are unnecessary. At the same time, make some corrections where some parts are left out in shading. So you have seen how a pyramid is formed. Okay. Now, if you are highly worried about all those lines in the base of a pyramid, like a triangle at the bottom or a square or a pentagon or hexagon or an octagon, so you can also make a cone, simple cone like this. With a simple circle at the bottom, circular surface, inverted cone ice cream, okay, cone of that ice cream which the boy had. So here also again you can, if light is falling from the right side, you get lighter shades on the right side, and inside, because it is inside this, this should have a circular motion because a cone has a circle at the bottom. So no need to worry about all those lines that I had mentioned earlier. So that was interesting, I believe. So please give a like if you like. Let's wind up here with a more interesting topic in the next class. with another basic shape. So please don't forget to give a like and hit the bell button, and please subscribe to my channel. Please share, like how this little boy had shared all these with his all this cone also with his parents and with his friends. All these delicacies he had shared, and you should also be kind enough to share the links of each and every video of mine with your friends in your WhatsApp groups or Instagram or maybe Facebook, any other social media, all social medias. And please request your friend circle, relative circle also to subscribe to my channel. And because it's because of you all that my channel has started growing up. So be positive, be creative, and be very active. That's all for now. Meet you again in the next video with another basic shape to be rendered. Till then, Shubhadina.